There she is.
What happened over here?
What do you mean what happened over there? You went to the grocery? Good morning, Philippines! Alright guys, my wife getting ready to run around with her friends again. Sorry. Sorry guys, good morning. This is my wife getting herself ready to go run around shopping with her friends.
What is this?
I don't know what she's shopping for. What is that? What?
Why you have condom?
Why would I have a condom in your purse?
You put condom.
Why do you have one is a better question.
Why you have condom? Why you have condom here?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a condom, hun?
I don't know what the hell you just threw on the table, but my wife's just sitting there being goofy and getting ready to run around with her friends. I probably won't see her until 10 o'clock tonight.
I have a lot of chocolate, just in case I get hungry.
She's not chocolate, but it's 100 degrees out, so the chocolate will turn into a puddle.
It's gonna be in my bag.
Yeah, it will anyway. She'll be walking around in freaking crazy heat. It'll turn into liquid like instantly.
I'm just leaving that. No, this one is not if it's in my bag. Okay, I need to put lipstick. So I'm leaving you, is that okay?
Yep.
Okay.
It don't matter if I said no, it's not okay. She'd still leave, so it doesn't really. It's a stupid question.
You're vlogging me, I'm vlogging you, I'm vlogging, you're vlogging.
Blah, 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 blah.
So I will see you later, okay?
Yeah, yeah. Did you
So
eat?
what do you want?
I don't want nothing now. I'm not going shopping. You're going shopping.
Yeah, but you like something over there? You
What?
want me to look for something?
No, what do I want you to look for?
Do you want some shirt?
No, you're not going to find shirts I like anyway.
So it's okay, I get hungry, right?
I think you should eat before you go, but you're like stunad that way. And
What
then,
is this?
guys, by the time she hits the bottom of the driveway, oh, I'm starving. I don't think I can make it. I'm going to pass out. I got no strength.
I have candy.
Candy is not.
Don't throw this out because this is a receipt.
Candy gives you like energy for 10 minutes and then done. I want to see her. I want to see her walk through the store doing that. I tell you, she will not. She's too embarrassed for other people. She's worried about what other people think.
Hun,
Me, I'll sit there and ride the shopping cart through the store like an idiot, but she gets embarrassed and doesn't want to be seen with me.
why you say that, honey?
Because-
That's our secret.
Because I don't care what other people think.
Hun, don't forget your kids, okay?
Life is about enjoying yourself and not worrying about what other people might think about you.
And if I really think of that, honey, I stop vlogging.
Oh, she stopped blogging.
Because I always worried about what people think. People think a lot of shit about me.
It's different when you're not face to face with them.
No, there's a lot of flies. Kill these flies, huh? Your kids
She lets all the flies in and then tells me to hunt them down like a friggin' hunter. I gotta go. I'm gonna start shooting the flies will have holes all over the walls.
Hey, okay, I'm leaving.
I get that.
I'm leaving now. So I have to put lipstick and put this in, and I need another phone because
She needs another phone because she's so popular. She needs 2 phones.
Han, serious?
2 phones. She's so popular. She just can't help herself.
Han, don't say that, honey. The reason. Tell them the reason why I have 2 phones. Tell them.
Because she's so popular.
Can you please don't say that?
She wants to blog with one and call with the other.
No, that's the reason. Guys, you really think I'm just really wasting money here? He is the waster here. He's the one that wastes money. Okay, the reason why? Look at, he's vlogging. Oh, he's vlogging to me and then. Okay, tell them the reason.
She likes 2 phones, guys. It's what it is.
The reason is you have 40 something lower on monthly.
No. What's the reason why you want 2 phones?
No, I want a phone, a new phone.
Right. I know, but you wanted 2 phones too. What was the reason why you wanted 2 phones?
No,
You said, oh, I need to get a second phone for just
No,
working.
no,
You
no,
did.
no, you're lying. I said I want a phone because the old phone is always low bat. So now I want a new phone. And then you said they won't allow us to get, and also the reason why the Spectrum, they have low price monthly if you register
Yeah,
me a customer.
I could cancel that, but you also said you want 2 phones. Heck is this anyway? It's like a mini pad? What the hell is it?
Panty liner.
What the hell good is that panty liner? It's like, I couldn't absorb a drop of water with that.
No, and you think I pee a lot? I do if I
What's a
laugh.
panty liner for exactly?
Panty liner is if you have leakage like that.
Yeah, that can't absorb any leak.
Yes, it is. They are very good absorbent.
Okay.
You wanna try it? Wrap the hot dog.
That's the tiniest, that's the tiniest little...
Tommy, where is your hot dog? But anyway, I'm going with my friends because Brenda want to go to Gap because they have something on sale. So we're going. I'm going with them. Of course, I'm driving. But anyway, guys, kita-kits tayo sa tindahan, guys. Kasi iwan ko si Mister. Andito si Mister. Iwan ko siya. Anyway, bye. See you later. See you sa tindahan. Kasi, yun. Are you playing with a flippity fish?
Hobbs like staring at me. Why are you taking my fish away?
Ala, nice dimple. Anyway, guys, I will see you sa tindahan. Give me a kiss. Bye-bye. Love you.
Bye, love you. Bye, guys.
I love you, Han.
I'm in charge of his fish because he misses it when you don't have it.
Han, I'll talk to you later.
Yes.
Be careful, ha? Be careful. Careful, be. Anyway, guys, kita-kits tayo mamaya. I can't find my shoes. Okay, guys, andito na kami, guys. Ang paborito kong noon. Paborito kong tindahan ng sapatos. Yan dyan. Yan si Lloydie yung kasama namin. And of course, andito si Brenda. Welcome to Singapore. Andito kami Singapore, guys. Baka mahal, ba? Ha? Hala, 11 lang siya. Hala, be, malaki man, be. O, pang bata ka? Ay, hindi ka magbili sa iyo? Bili ka sa iyo, be. Hoy, i-close mo yung bag mo. Oops, makapiright tayo dito. So, ngayon guys, titignan natin itong mga butas-butas na pantalon. Mahal pa rin siya, guys. Oy. Maganda nga siya. Ito din mahal. Ito din ganda, pero mahal. Oh, grabe. Hindi kaya sa budget. So, yun. Ito, pang bata. Sa pamangin ko sana. Pero guys, ang mahal. Akala ko may sale sila, pero wala. So, yun. At ito namang si Brenda, nakahanap ng mura sa clearance. Binigay sa akin kasi sabi niya, bagay daw sa akin. Yung Gap? Or wag na tayong Gap? Ano, punta na tayo sa Macy's. Malayo, be? Alin? May Home Depot pala dito. Home Depot. Tapos na kami dito, guys. Look. Famous footwear. Yun. Punta na naman kami sa... Asan ba ito? Sa Macy's. So yun, andito tayo sa Macy's kasi meron silang mga backstage, yung mga on sale. Pero bago niyan, titignan natin itong mga Michael Kors na bag kasi meron akong gustong bilhin. Kaso, wala pa silang sale. Ito gusto ko. Pero parang hindi kasi yung camera ko dyan. So naghanap ako ng malaki. Kahit nag-sale itong bag na ito, mahal pa rin. Uy, grabe yung presyo. So yun, nagpunta ako sa iba. Tinitingnan ko yung iba. Ito maganda, sobrang pasosyal man itong mga bag. Meron akong mga MK, guys, pero sobrang laki yung mga uso noon na bag na sobrang laki na MK. So yun, useless lang yun, guys, kasi hindi magamit. So kaya naghanap ako ng maliit nang magkasya yung ano, pero sobrang sosyal naman itong mga bag na ito. Maghanap na lang tayo ng mura. Bibili na lang ako ng ano, guys. Ano klaseng bag ito, guys? Lagyan ng isda ba? Gikan sa merkado.
Ng market ito yung gamitin niya.
Oo, merkado. Maganda, be.
7.95?
Hala.
14?
CV95, be. Maganda. Itim, be. Clearance tayo, guys. Clearance. So, ito lang yung ma-afford namin, guys. Mga clearance, mga mumurahin, mga butas-butas pa. Ano sa tingin nyo, guys?
Pang garden mo, be.
Alam nyo guys, na-miss ko tuloy yung Cebu kasi talaga yung paborito kong mall dyan sa Cebu is yung SM Bago talaga. Sobrang laki, palaki ng palaki kaya nakakamiss. Kaya yun, sabay-sabay na lang tayo mag-shopping na walang mga pera. Forever 21 muna tayo.
Alam niyo yung unbox ko na sandals na ano ba dito.
Hala, oy, nahihilo ako. Parang gumagalaw yung ano, buong building.
Nakita ko sila parang oo, wag ka lang magpansin. Pala, hindi ko naman. Hindi naman pwede sa akin. Kay Tony Paolo ko.
Magka-utot-utot ako nito.
Kay Tony Paolo.
So yun, lumabas kami, nagpunta kaming H&M kasi yung walang nagustuhan. Sige, tara. Meron dito yung mga hinahanap ko na may kwelyo. Kaso parang iniisip ko parang mahal man dito. Naglakad-lakad kami. Pero yun, pumunta kami sa baba kasi wala kami makita sa ibabaw. So anday, naghanap-hanap ako doon kung saan yung mga clearance guys. Pang lula man ito guys. Life is pink in life. Gusto niyo pumasok doon? Para hindi man bagay sa atin?
Mahal pa din yung 5 piona.
O diba, narinig niyo si Brenda, $5 mahal pa rin. No, nauhaw kami guys. Umiinom na lang kami dito sa food court man ito ata. Guys, pauwi na kami guys. Papuntang, ihatid ko muna ito siya. And then, uwi na ako. Ano nang oras? Before 59 na. So yun, pagkatapos ng shopping, umuwi na kami. Hinatid ko si Brenda. Uuwi na ako kasi nag-alala ako ano nang ginagawa ni Mister. Siya lang mag-isa.
So, my wife is walking in from her excursion for the day. So let's get an image on her. You can tell by the dogs going nutty. Because that's what they do. And there she is. Her excursion for the day. Why'd you turn the light on when for the room that you're not in?
We have a burger here.
I don't know, for dinner?
Why? We have a lot of leftover.
Where is this? So there she is.
What happened over here?
What do you mean what happened over there? You went to the grocery?
Yeah. No, to the Filipino store to get this
Okay.
mamacitas. This is what I only got. $7 each. Old Navy.
Okay, so my wife went to Old Navy and bought somebody else's ripped up clothes. Because, oh my God, it's stylish to have ripped up clothes.
$7.
$7.
And this one too, $7.
It's all
Brenda
ripped.
found it.
It's all ripped. I'll give you my old clothes that are all ripped. I'll give you for free.
Brenda found this one. I wasn't planning of buying, honestly. Okay, babe, this is your design. Okay, get this $7. So I got it.
Why not? What the hell?
Yeah, look at guys, my husband is like yelling at me later. Why you buy?
Yeah, she's so full of crap.
Okay.
What's in the bag?
Huh?
What's in the bag?
Oh, I get a
Oh, bread things.
Yeah, it's like a you know what it is. And I got
Pandesal.
no, it's not pandesal. It's a Spanish bread.
Oh.
Coconut. I'm not buying a regular coconut, guys. That I'm gonna put myself $4 something each. Magi sabor. And that's it.
And I
It's
guess
really
she's
hot.
done. 8 hours to get that guy. 8 hours.
Look at this. You're okay
8
here?
hours, guys. to get
Are
that.
you okay over here?
I'm fine.
You're okay?
Yeah.
Oh, look at I like that, hon.
What? My Bahamas shirt?
Yeah. You don't wear that often.
I don't wear t-shirts often. Especially not these because it fades away and look like crap, so I don't like to wear it too often. Because then
Nice.
the color will fade.
I should buy you more like this.
You have to go to Bahamas to get it.
No, there is some in here.
This is from Bahamas.
Okay. Anyway, guys, vlog take over because Tammy is vlogging, so now it's me. So I'm home.